So now the first thing that we want to do is listen to the background of the recording to see how much noise we have. So you're going to click and drag just to highlight a section that doesn't have any of the sound waves where you're speaking in it, to just listen to your background. So I'm going to play that now. And as you can tell, there's some background noise. So Audacity has the ability for you to remove some minor background noise. Again, this isn't for you to be in a room full of talking people and think you can remove that, because it does sort of distort the sound when you remove background noise. But if it's only a little bit of noise, then it's usually undetectable. So let's first remove the background noise. We're going to click Effect, Noise Removal, and then there'll be some default settings, but in case you don't have them, we want the noise reduction decibels set at 24. Sensitivity can be 0, frequency smoothing at 150, and then attack decay time at 0.15 seconds. So the first thing you do is get the noise profile, because that's letting the program know what the noise sounds like and how much noise there is. So get noise profile. So that's done. Then click over here so that your entire track is highlighted. Click Effect, and then click Repeat Noise Removal. And then that's going to remove the noise from the entire track, the noise that matches up with that background noise that we heard. So let's listen now. And now we don't hear any noise, right?